Here are the reasons why people can't meditate. Reason 1. You're trying too hard. Let's imagine you decided to give meditation a try. You start focusing on your breath, clearing your mind of all thoughts, and then your mind comes up with a plan for dinner. You say to yourself, I need to come back to the breath. Then you do it again and again, every time making more and more effort to stay focused. Eventually, you become too frustrated that it's not working and you just give up. If you've ever experienced this, don't worry, we have way less control over our minds than we think we do. If you're struggling to maintain focus during meditation, simply trying harder to keep your mind blank won't work. If you notice that your meditation is becoming too effortful, back off a little bit. Do some breathing exercises, and see if you can just notice what's happening in the present moment, without giving any instruction to your mind. Eventually, you will begin to remain still without any thoughts. Reason 2. You haven't found your meditation fit. Most people believe that meditation refers to one practice, but in reality, there are hundreds of different ways to meditate. Meditation has been part of many different cultures in the past, and every new culture, or person who got in touch with a meditation technique, made a change to suit their personality and style. In the same way that we have different personalities, values, beliefs, tastes, there will always be a meditation practice that is more suitable to your unique way of being in the world. Take mindfulness, for example, which is probably the most popular meditation technique nowadays. For beginners, I've made a separate video on 5 easy meditation methods. Please watch, I've included a link to it in the description below. Reason 3. You're having a dry meditation session. Most people spend 95% of their lives in a busy state of mind. Our minds are always thinking of things, making plans, rehearsing what needs to be done. And then we decide, I need to calm myself down, let's meditate for 10 minutes. It's not going to work, is it? We've tried to switch from a panicked and stressed mind to a peaceful and calm mind instantly. So here you can try 2 things. The first one is to have a warm-up before you try to meditate. Try, for example, implementing a ritual in which you practice some slow, deep breathing for 10 minutes, or you can try some positive psychology exercises like, remember 3 good things that you are grateful for in your life. This way you'll be priming your brain for the practice of meditation. Then the second suggestion is to reduce the division between meditation and your life. A way of doing this would be to take 5 minutes every hour, to have a mindful moment where you slow your breath down, be mindful of what's happening around you and in your body. This way, warming up your mind will get you in a meditative state quickly. Reason 4. You expect to see results overnight. The way meditation is being sold today, especially by meditation apps, makes most of us believe that our minds can be transformed in just 10 minutes. But you don't expect to enroll in a gym and be fit in one day. It shouldn't be any different when it comes to meditation. It takes time to see the results. Using the same analogy of going to the gym, if you've been inactive for a while and decide to start exercising, you know that the first 2 weeks will be really difficult, but then you start seeing a small difference, and that will keep you motivated to keep exercising. The same applies to meditation. Once you find a method that works for you, and you invest in a couple of weeks of practice, things will get better. It's important to note that the results won't necessarily be seen in your meditation session, but in your daily life. Are you feeling a bit more focused? Also, expect that the first 5 to 10 minutes of your meditation won't be the most productive. It takes a while for your mind to switch to a new mental mode. The more you are able to stay in meditation, the more you can see this shift occurring. You're moving out of this analytical side of your mind to a more calm way of being aware. No matter what problems you are facing in your quest to establish a meditation routine, the most essential element to your success is this attitude of acceptance and non-judgment. By doing this, and following the more specific advice laid out within this video, you'll never have those unproductive, "I can't meditate" thoughts again. There are links to several of our meditation videos below. To learn more, watch the video.